The Enough is Enough movement, led by Norma Alvarez, met the governor of Goa and submitted a 10-point charter highlighting concerns over hill cutting, casinos, and environmental degradation. The delegation urged governor to advise the state government to convene an assembly session to discuss the opposition's proposed land protection bill. They also call for stronger safeguards to protect Goa's ecological balance and regulate large-scale development activities, while various environmental and policy concerns were brought to governor's attention during the meeting.
We are a delegation of the core committee of Enough is Enough movement. And we had been given an appointment by the governor to meet him. Today was very significant because it is World Environment Day. And our entire movement is concerned about the environment of Goa, protection of our agricultural fields, our tenanted lands. We are disturbed and opposed to this hill cutting which is destroying our areas, flooding of our fields and so on. Now we gave the governor our charter of demands, and we went through all the 10 points of the charter of demands with him. And he is very sympathetic on the environment issue. He said without the cooperation of people and government to protect the environment, there will be nothing left after several years. So he's very much concerned about the environment issue. He agreed with us on the issues that we have raised. We have asked him to convey our concerns to the government, to call a meeting, call the assembly to discuss the bill which the opposition leaders had, the opposition members had given to the government at the last assembly session. That session was cut short by 10 days. The bill was not discussed, and we explained to him that the issues that we have raised in our charter, most of them are in that bill. It's called the Protection of Agricultural Lands Bill. He said we have asked him to convey to the government that it needs to be discussed and considered by the government. We also raised the issue of the casinos in the Mandavi, and that there is pollution, that it is not the kind of culture which we have in Goa to have these casinos. And he is very much supportive of the issue that we raised regarding the casinos. He said that yes, these are issues which casinos which should not be in the place where they are, and has promised to convey our information. He has said that he will look at the information, and we discussed it, and we hope that he will convey it to the government, because our main demand is that the assembly should be called and discussed, the bill discussed.
आणि ह्या दिसाक ताणें आमकां आपयलें म्हणून चड बरें जालें. आनी आमकां ताणें खूबच टायम दिलो. म्हणजे आमकां एक्चुअली जो आमी टायम अशें चिंतून गेल्ले कमी आसतलो म्हणून, पण ताणें ईच अँड एवरी पॉयंटाचेर आमचें आयकून घेतलें, आपले कमेंट्स घातले, तांची कांय कॉन्स्टिट्युशना बद्दल उलयले, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाच्या मर्यादीन कितें जाता तें आपूण करतले अशें सांगलां ताणें. आनीक जशें आमचे एडवोकेट नॉर्मान सांगलां, he was sympathetic to the demands we have placed, particularly relating to casinos. आणि बरेचशे इन्फॉर्मेशन तांकां आसा ह्या विशया बद्दल, ह्या मुवमेंटा बद्दल सगळें तांकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा. इज वेल ब्रीफ्ड ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. आणि आमी आतां फक्त एक होप दवरता की ही वील हॅव अ डिस्कशन विथ दी चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑन ऑल द इश्यूज रेज, आणि कितें तरी एक मार्ग काडटले म्हणून. कित्याक जेन्ना पब्लीक जे आमी आणि जेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंट ऑथॉरिटीज, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑथॉरिटीज लायक गव्हर्नर एकाच पेजीर आसता, तेन्ना हें सोंपें जावपाक जाय आमचे अदमासान. तर म्हाका दिसता की येता त्या दिसां भितर हें सगळें थाऱ्यार पडटलें अशी आशा दवरून आमी भायर सरल्या.
तुमी असेंब्ली हें करपाक गव्हर्नरान कितें सांगलें तुमकां? असेंब्ली सेशन घेया म्हटलें.
So he's a constitutional authority, and he has got certain powers and his certain limitations. He cannot call the assembly, but we asked him that you please place before the government, inform the government that the Enough is Enough committee has come to meet you, and we want this to be done. He also said you should also make your representation to government, and in that sense we hope that he will speak to government and tell them to consider the issues that we have raised.
ताणें सांगला पळय, what he has said is बिझनस एडवायझरी कमिटी आसा, मागीर
Speaker asa.
स्पीकर आसा, त्यांचे कडेन भासाभास करपाक शकता. म्हणजे फायनली कितें आहा, गव्हर्मेंटान जो पर्यंत तांकां ऑफिशियली कळयना की टू कॉल द हाऊस तशें जायना. म्हणजे दीज आर द रुल्स. पण मोरल इन्फ्लुएन्स ही कॅन ऑलवेज एक्झर्ट ऑन द गव्हर्नर. मॅडमीन ताका परत परत सांगलां, यूज युअर मोरल ऑथॉरिटी टू इन्फ्लुएन्स दीस गव्हर्मेंट, अँड ही इज एग्रीएबल टू दॅट. लेट अस सी.
up to 1 crore fine